Hey everyone, welcome back to JourneyAuto, your car crazy friend who's here to save the day. Picture this, you're driving along, maybe singing off-key to your favorite song, when suddenly, bam, your dashboard lights up, steam sneaking out from under the hood, and your heart sinks. Sound familiar? That's engine overheating, and trust me, I've been there. Panicking on the side of the road, praying my car doesn't turn into a giant repair bill. Today, we're diving deep into why this happens and how to fix it, because no one should feel that dread. We'll uncover the sneaky culprits and the tricks to cool things down, all in one go. So grab a coffee or a wrench if you're feeling brave, and let's get rolling. Here's the deal. Your engine's like the heart of your car, pumping away under the hood. It gets hot, crazy hot, but it's got this cooling system to keep it from melting down. When that system messes up, that's when the trouble starts. Ever wondered what's secretly cooking your engine? Let's pull back the curtain and find out, step by step. Number 1, low coolant level. First thing that can go wrong, low coolant. Think of coolant as your engine's best buddy. It's this mix of water and antifreeze that soaks up all that heat and carries it away. But if it's running low, oh boy, your engine's sweating bullets with no relief. Maybe it's evaporated over time, or, spoiler alert, there's a leak. I remember checking my old truck once, and the tank was practically empty. My stomach dropped. Ever peeked under your hood and thought, where'd it all go? Low coolant's a quiet troublemaker, but we can fix it. Hang tight. Number 2, coolant leaks. That brings us to culprit number 2, coolant leaks. This is the why behind that empty tank. A tiny hole in your radiator, a cracked hose, a weepy water pump, any of these can let that precious coolant drip away. You might spot a puddle under your car, like a neon green cry for help, or catch that sweet, syrupy smell. One time I found a trail in my driveway and thought, oh no, my car's bleeding. Here's a quick fix. Pop the hood when it's cool, grab a flashlight, and play detective. See a leak? Mark it. We'll patch it up later. Number 3, failing thermostat. Next up, a failing thermostat. This little gadget's like the traffic cop for your coolant. Tells it when to flow to the radiator to chill out. But if it gets stuck shut, no flow, no cooling, and your engine's temperature skyrockets. It's like locking the fridge on a scorching day. Cruel, right? I had a buddy who ignored this once. His car overheated so fast he swore it was cursed. To check it, warm up your engine and feel the radiator hose. Cold hose, hot engine? That thermostat's gotta go. Swap it out and breathe easy. Number 4, radiator issues. Now let's talk radiator troubles. Your radiator's the hero that cools that hot coolant down. Think of it as your engine's personal AC. But if it's clogged with gunk inside, blocked by leaves or bugs outside, or the fan's dead, that coolant stays toasty, and so does your engine. Ever seen a radiator so packed with dirt it looks like a science project? Guilty here, I learned the hard way. Quick fix, brush off the outside junk, flush it if it's nasty inside, or grab a stop leak product if you spot a drip. Easy peasy. Number 5, water pump failure. Okay, here's a big one. Water pump failure. This pumps the heartbeat of your cooling system, pushing coolant around like it's on a mission. If it quits, no circulation, no cooling, your engine's toast. Listen for a whine, peek for leaks near it, or wiggle the pulley. If it's loose, it's done. I had a water pump die on me mid-road trip. Talk about bad timing. Replacement's a job, but it beats a fried engine. Ever heard your car whimper? That's the sound to watch for. Number 6, clogged coolant passages. Next, clogged coolant passages. Over time, rust and gunk can pile up inside your engine's cooling channels. Like plaque in your pipes. It chokes the flow, traps the heat, and boom, overheating city. I've seen engines so gunked up, it's like they're begging for a detox. Prevention's key here. Keep that coolant fresh. But if it's bad, a flush might save the day. Ever ignored a warning too long and paid the price? Yeah, this is that moment. Number 7, blown head gasket. Last culprit, and the scariest, a blown head gasket. This seal keeps your engine tight, but if it blows, coolant leaks everywhere, sometimes right into the engine. You'll see white smoke puffing out the exhaust, bubbles in the coolant tank, or coolant vanishing like a ghost. I had a friend whose head gasket blew. $500 later, he was crying into his coffee. It's the worst case scenario, but we'll tackle it if we have to. Whoa, 7 reasons your engine's overheating. Low coolant to head gaskets. Feeling overwhelmed? Don't be. We're not just pointing fingers. We're fixing this together. Ever had one of these hit you out of nowhere? Stick around. I'm about to show you how to spot it and fight back. Number 8, spotting the signs. So how do you know your engine's in trouble? Your car's dropping hints if you pay attention. A warning light flashes on your dash. Don't brush it off. The temp gauge climbs into the red. Yikes. Or the big one, steam or smoke sneaking out from under the hood. I've pulled over with steam billowing, heart racing, thinking, is this it? If you see these, don't panic, act. Pull over safely, turn it off, and let's figure this out. Number 9, fixes you can try. Here's where we take control. Let's cool this engine down. First, check your coolant. Engine off, cool down, pop the hood and peek at that tank. Low? Top it up with a 50-50 mix, water and antifreeze. It's like a lifeline. Next, hunt for leaks, under the car, around hoses, radiator pump. Spot one? Note it. We'll patch or replace it. Third, test that thermostat. Cold hose, hot engine means it's toast, swap it. Clean your radiator, brush off debris, flush the gunk, or use a stop leak for small drips. Check the water pump. Whining or leaking? Time for a new one. And if all else fails, suspect that head gasket, white smoke, or bubbles. Get a pro. I've dodged disasters with these steps. Saved my truck and my sanity. There you have it. Why your engine overheats and how to fight back. All in one ride. From sneaky leaks to that heart-stopping head gasket, we've covered it all. Your car's your buddy. Let's keep it running strong. Tell me in the comments, what's the craziest overheating mess you faced? I'm reading every single one. Spill the tea. If this saved you from a breakdown or just made you feel like a car hero, smash that like button. It means the world to us. Share this with your road trip crew and subscribe so we can keep fixing cars together. Thanks for hanging out. Drive safe, and I'll see you next time.